Hello and welcome to this short video where I'll be showing you what's new in the online asset management solution Hector. We'll be taking a look at the settings section today, and for our customers with a castle plan or a personalized customization item, you'll have access to a branding section that's going to allow you to personalize the colors of Hector for both your login and public reservation pages so that they're more in line with the colors of your organization. And you have a lot of options available to you, whether it be the banner, the buttons, the calendars, the fonts, the footer colors, etc. You'll be able to set them up, and then when you're ready and the color is what you want it to be, you save, and Hector will now be using that color for the branding of the website. The second thing that I want to show you is within the barcode section itself. When generating barcodes or QR codes, you now have the option of setting up your logo to either be above or below the barcode. What's important is that you have sufficient space on the barcode itself so that your logo shows up properly. So for example, if I put my logo at the top, I can see here that I've pushed the QR code down. So I'll either want to resize my barcode or remove maybe some of the information that's not necessary within my barcode itself. So you can come in and specify that, or if you have larger labels, then you'll be able to fit in all the information that you require. So that's what I wanted to show you guys with regards to the settings sections. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you again in future videos, and I wish you a very good day.